so gross, dude.
Well, you didn't clean it before you popped it in?
No.
Why not?
Because we just a little bit of alcohol.
We need more things.
Bro, that's our console. Just fucking gnarly.
It's a sub.
That shit gnarly. I was wondering why it's so goddamn club.
Little boom boom.
Oh man. Look.
What's up? It's that cigarette. They're bad for you.
Okay. Be that guy.
What are you talking about?
Exactly.
What are you talking about? Smoking is bad. Okay. All right. You ready?
In, and then we want me to clip.
Clip.
Oh, hold on. Ready?
Yeah. I'm clipped at the bottom. You in?
Hold on.
I do like these clips.
Yeah.
Ow. Fucker.
There we go.
I have no idea what the hell the clip is for this one, though, but...
Yeah.
So I don't know where this goes, but this is the...
That goes here.
Nope, this goes up here.
That's.
And that's where this plugs into. All right, so...
So we got that right.
Boom. And now it gets...
These little screws.
No.
The little golden screws.
It gets the big boys.
There's a ratcheting screwdriver, bro.
Yeah.
For $3.
It's outside the budget, bro.
But a new soldering iron was.
That was part of the business bought that. I'm writing that off on my taxes.
Alright.
Along with the ratchet.
Alright, where is the part that goes in here?
I believe that is this. Which means, oh, that's in the wrong spot. You gotta drop it down into here.
Yeah, but I want to see if this even fits.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, okay.
Drop all of them back down there?
No.
Just this one?
Well, one of, yeah, for sure, because this one goes, this is what goes right there.
Okay.
In that hole. That only gets one of those.
So that gets this one.
So yeah, the other ones can drop down, I guess, because they don't go to that. Actually, no, one goes to the, what's over, what's right there. Hold on, let me find that. Yep, got it. Looks like 2 plugs, 3 plugs. 3 little, oh, nope, this goes up here.
Say that, dude. You got 3 plugs.
That.
Wow, that was loud.
So this plugs into that blue wire right here.
That's ABS.
Yeah, that's what it says. And then it sat right here, Joe.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah, remember it broke? It was somewhere up on top here. I don't remember exactly where. Oh, I don't know. You're gonna have to figure that out. I don't know what it does or what it's for. This is the one I've been waiting to see.
Yeah, baby.
How this is gonna... Oh shit. So we actually you gotta run it over the bracket over the track here.
Over where?
I got it. Well, this all needs to go through there. I believe this all needs to go forward and down, but
Right there. Right there.
yeah.
Right there. Little black screw.
Yo, this is gonna work so good.
Where is this cover at? That's what we need.
That's next, I
We
think.
need that to finish up all this shit.
That one is actually still filthy and needs to be cleaned better.
Broken?
Yeah. You got any idea how to fix it? I do not. All right, here's the problem. I don't know where this is.
What is that?
I don't know. I know it was hooked up to something at some point. But whatever that something was is apparently obsolete now. Because it's definitely not a plug on that thing.
Is that OnStar?
No. Is there a plug on the bottom of that somewhere?
That's a negative.
No? I don't know what that plug is for. Alright. So I got center console going back together, and then realized I forgot to do something. So now we're going to take it out. Damn it, and I lose a screw. Down inside. Yeah, it's going to need a nice detail and clean. It's already better than it was, though. All right. I texted Granberry. I was like, because he was supposed to be here like hours ago, and then texted me and said he had to do something with his wife and he'd be here, blah, blah, blah. I texted him, I was like, well, you didn't show up. We fucked up. You need to come fix it.
What is that?
So the blue wire, I figured it out. The blue wire turns on the heat, and the black wires are the exit memory. Because the two black wires go to this seat, the blue wire goes to this seat and that seat. But the problem is, I don't know where the blue wires come from, and then we need harnesses and yeah, basically. So I told Granberry it was all his fault, and I was gonna just let you keep cutting things up until you got here, or until he got here.
I don't do anything like that anymore.
Huh?
That was good, dude.
Yeah.
Come along.
Yeah, it's getting there. 'Cause yeah, if you look, so you get a blue and two blacks here, and the only difference between here and over there is the exit.
So are we going to
Sand this down, body fill this, plastic fill it, and then wrap that.
I don't know.
I would get
When it comes time to actually making the interior nice, I'll burn that bridge.
Well, this is gotta get all painted.
Well, it was painted. Somebody painted that.
well, yeah, no, that's
Yeah, no, somebody painted it.
They painted it with dash paint.
Yeah.
they painted with the right paint.
Yeah, yeah.
Just needs to get repainted.
And well, they didn't scuff it enough, I don't think.
I think
But they painted this, basically all of this. They didn't do the dash.
should get changed colors.
Black.
Yeah, black.
That's exactly what the plan is.
Black.
Because these are all a grayish black back here.
Black at all. And it'll be super
Well, I'm gonna leave this the brown.
dash paint all this stuff, dash paint it black.
Because the top panel right here is a brown, like a cocoa, and I like it black on black, brown on black. I think will look good. Check it out. Other than the fact it's two different colors, which I mean, whatevs. You see this thing has tow haul mode? Look. I don't know what I'm gonna make that do, but maybe nitrous, you know. Push the button.
Oh, gross.
What?
That's dash paint not match.
It's brown. I told you that.
It looks black.
No, it's brown. All right, hold on before you go too crazy.
I was gonna drop the steering wheel down.
Oh, well, yeah, you can do that. That would be helpful.
Hopefully we get this guy back in the position here. We're gonna have to glue him down anyways. He's up here.
Okay, you should have a plug right here. Nope, you can't see shit. Yeah. Yep, keep going. I'm good. I don't know about you.
I mean, I've got screw holes. I'm way huge. Oh, here we go. I'm fucking far away, dude.
All right, let me come look.
Oh, there you go. I got it.
Get it? It's one thing, and it's not very big. It's this right here from the top. So, do you got one of those somewhere? I should probably find that. Listen.
Okay, no. I thought the gauge cluster had a tab for a top. Here.
No, the cluster goes in last. I know that for a fact. No, those all go to the bottom. We should probably find it before we go much further, because...
This one.
Nope. Guess again.
This one? Right here? This looks like it could be it.
Maybe.
What kind of aftermarket gauge cluster is this?
That's it.
No, this is not the stock one.
Yeah.
Why does it look like a ricer?
Because Cadillac? Yep, that's her. So now you just got to somehow slide that all the way to the top.
3 minutes late, Granberry.
You got wires. Why?
Because we didn't think we needed them. Well,
You weren't here to fucking help.
yeah, you were here to tell us not to.
No.
Who else is supposed to babysit us?
It's all common sensitive people.
What the fuck is that?
Don't cut wires.
Well, it was for the back part of the harness. All right, let me walk you through what happened here. We cut a bunch of things. So this is the driver's seat. Okay, this plug, we cut a ton of shit. We only cut these two orange ones. Because we didn't know what it was and we didn't think we needed them. Do you need them? I don't think so. These ones go to the seats. I think it's the main powers, so that goes up with that one. What we fucked up on is we cut these two black ones, which I believe go to your exit in position 1 and 2. And then this blue one, which is, I believe, the heat. That tells the heat to turn on. And here's why I think that, because the other side has just one blue one.
Did you cut the other side?
Yeah. We cut everything.
I did cut wires. Should have learned from the Subaru not to cut the wires. I'm just saying. You weren't here to tell
Listen, that worked out pretty well in the end.
No, that did not work out. That was me. Me again.
Yeah.
This is terrible.
You were supposed to be here early.
Whatever. Don't
All right.
don't
So
blame.
this harness has the two black wires. This one right here. This one has the one blue wire
Where did those come from?
up here. All this rest of this shit goes back to airbags and shit we don't need. That's the reason we cut it out.
So how do you
This
know?
goes to the center console. There's a plug-in for this, and we cut a bunch of things out of this, and I don't know what this does. Because it all goes back there.
Like literally, we did the same exact.
Yeah, but this all goes back there. I don't need it. The only thing I don't know, this is where I'm at, Grandma. It's the only thing I don't know. See this blue wire right here? And this blue wire back here? No, I do. They're heat. I just don't know if this one, yeah, this one has got to go, I think, from there over, I think is how it works.
I would have said, don't cut that. We don't need that. And you still probably would have cut it anyway.
Nah.
Probably. Did it clean up?
Eh.
Oh, it's pretty nice. Staring like it's not hooked up, I guess.
No, I mean, yeah, that's the next thing I got to do is figure that out. Shit coming together.
The doors hooked up?
My doors are all plugged in over here, and none of that is hooked up yet because that was Joe's side. So everything plugs into.
This little guy?
No. So see the thing on the floor there, the fuse panel on the floor? No.
That?
No, up on the floor.
Where?
That. That's where a bunch of that stuff plugs into, and then there's that body control module I showed you here. This needs to go up underneath the dash there. I got it still up underneath there is where all that. So I gotta go button all that up. I'm just working my way, getting all this shit.
This is the harness, right?
That is the harness.
So if you don't get from behind me,
This is the harness that needs to go to the seats.
what's wrong with you?
Get in here, big guy.
But you need those two ends that I showed you out there to get where those, because those two ends that I showed you out there plug in up there.
So where do these ends plug to?
That one you have right in your hand right there
Goes up there?
goes up there,
This one.
goes up there.
So everything goes up there.
Yes. That's why I took this part of the harness and not the rest of it.
Where's the seat?
Right here?
The motors that plugs on them?
Yeah, this is the plug that's on the seat. That's how I know this one goes over here, because this one doesn't have a full set,
And this one,
and that one has a full set
and this is the other one. You guys.
to the other seat. Yes. So I.
Pull this whole harness up. Give me
Yeah,
this whole.
here. The only other thing we got to do is, obviously link the grounds together and ground it somewhere.